Hey everybody, I want to share a recipe with you really quickly. It's called Indian butter chicken, and this is what it looks like when it's done. And all you do is it's 6 tablespoons of butter and you saute chicken. You add onion, garlic cloves, garam masala, ginger, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, a half teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 14-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 cups of cream or half and half, salt and pepper. You garnish with lime and cilantro, and you serve with naan bread. I have added water chestnuts and spinach to mine, as you can see, and you saute it all, you add it together, you simmer, and you have instant dinner. I will share the entire recipe at a later time and show you step by step how to do it. This is an amazing dish, and I hope that you all want to know how to do it. If you want to try it, please let me know, and I will give you step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.